Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel Rasa to Recovery. In today's video, we will discuss about AIA PGET 2024 solved questions, that is previous year questions, specially focused on RSBK. Before that, let us understand why PYQs are more important in AIA PGET. They are helpful to understand exam pattern, to identify high yield topics, to improve memory retention, for time management practice, to avoid silly mistakes, to predict future questions, to boost confidence, and you can also use it as quick revision tool. Here is our first question. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 contains drug name A. Chitraka, B. Bhallataka, C. Somaraji, D. Bakula Pushpa. And list 2 contains substitute drug by Bhava Prakasha. 1. Apamargakshara, 2. Chitraka, 3. Chakramarda, 4. Kalhara. We have to choose the correct answer from the options given below. Drugs from list 1 A, B, C, D matches exactly with list 2 1, 2, 3, 4. So option 3 is the right answer. Next question is also a match the following kind of question. These are more time consuming kind of questions, and this Visha and Upavisha concept comes in both Agadatantra and RSBK. List 1 contains Vatsanabha, Pitakaravira, Gunja and Ahifena, and list 2 contains Tevetin, Morphine, Aconitin and Abrin. Then we have to choose the correct answer from this option 2 will be the correct answer. List 2 is nothing but the major chemical composition found in list 1 drugs. Vatsanabha contains aconitin, Pitakaravira contains tevitin, Gunja contains abrin and Ahifena contains morphine. One more match the following question. Match Parada Samskara with their respective effects on Parada. Benefits, that is phala, or therapeutic benefits after processing as per Rasaratna Samuchaya. List 1 contains Parada Samskara, that is Niyamana, Deepana, Uttapana and Patana respectively. List 2 contains effects on Parada or therapeutic benefits. 1. Vangadi Samparka Kanchukagnam, 2. Murcha Vyapatti Nashana, 3. Grasarthi Jayate, 4. Chapalatva Nivruttaye. And option 3 will be the correct answer. Parada and its samskaras and its benefits are a very important topic. Next question. In the preparation of Asavarishta, wherever the quantity of jaggery, honey and prakshepaka is not mentioned, then which is the correct quantity of these in respect to churna for 1 drona drava? Option 1. Jaggery 1.5 tula, honey half tula and prakshepaka 1/10 tula. Option 2. Jaggery 1 tula, honey half tula and prakshepaka 1/10 tula. Option 3. Jaggery 2 tula, honey 1/4 tula and prakshepaka 1/10 tula. Option 4. Jaggery 1 tula, honey 1 tula and prakshepaka 1/100 drona. You can look at the reference also. Sharangadara Madhyamakanda Anuttamana Arishteshu Dravadrone Tulam Gudam Chaudram Kshipet Gudat Ardam Prakshepakam Dashamamshikam. Option 2 is the correct answer. Which of the following term explains uneven distribution of color on a tablet? 1. Lamination, 2. Capping, 3. Mottling, 4. Picking. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question. As per Rasaratna Samuchaya, which among below mentioned is correct sequence of pharmaceutical processing of Parada Samskara? Here we have to just arrange the Parada Samskaras in proper order as per Rasaratna Samuchaya. If you know the shloka, you can easily make out the first option itself is the correct answer. First option Svedana, Mardana, Mochana, Uttapana, Patana, Rodana, Niyamana, Deepana, Charana, Jarana, Ranjana, Sarana and Veda. In second option, Patana and Uttapana are misplaced. In third option, Niyamana and Rodana are misplaced. In fourth option, Uttapana and Mochana are misplaced. So first option will be the correct answer. According to Sharangadara, which of the following is the correct sequence of different layers of Sura from top to bottom? A. Medaka, B. Prasanna, C. Vakkasa, D. Kadambari, E. Jagala. Correct order goes like this. First layer Prasanna, second layer Kadambari, third layer Jagala, fourth layer Medaka, and fifth layer Surabija are also known as Vakkasa, which is mentioned in the option. If you know top layer is always Prasanna and the bottom layer is Surabija or Vakkasa, you can answer this question because B. Prasanna is mentioned as first in option 1 and 2. So we have to rule out between option 1 and 2. C. Vakkasa is the last layer which is mentioned in first option. Option 1 will be the correct answer. Next question. Which statement is false in respect to Arogyavardhini Vati mentioned in Rasaratna Samuchaya? Option 1. Loha, Abra and Shulbha Basma are ingredients. Option 2. It is mentioned to prepare Vati of Rajakola Pramana. Option 3. Triphala and Trikatu are to be taken in equal quantities. Option 4. The Vati was innovated by Nagarjuna Yogi. If we look into the shloka, option 3 will be the wrong statement. So option 3 is the correct answer because Trikatu is not an ingredient in Arogyavardhini Vati. According to Rasatarangini, which of the following statement is correct in reference of preparation of artificial haratala? Option 1 to 4 tells about different ratios between Shankavisha and Gandhaka. Option 1, 49 is to 24. Option 2, 50 is to 25. Option 3, 54 is to 28. Option 4, 60 is to 30. Option 1 is the correct answer, that is 49 is to 24. According to Acharya Chakradatta, which statement is false in reference of Simhanada Gugulu? Statement 1. Gandhaka is an ingredient. This statement is true. Statement 2. Paka is to be done in Chitra Taila, that is Eranda Taila. Even option 2 is right statement. Option 3. Paka is indicated to be done in Loha Patra. Even this statement is true. Option 4. It is called as also called as Bhrigu Rasayana, which is the wrong answer and wrong statement. So option 4 will be the correct answer. According to Sushruta Samhita, which of the following Snehapaka is indicated for Karna Purana? Option 1. Mridu Paka. Option 2. Madhyama Paka. Option 3. Khara Paka. Option 4. Chikkana Paka. In this question, they have directly mentioned the reference as Sushruta Samhita, but usually we study Snehapaka topic in Vaishajya Kalpana. So if you study the table in the next slide, you can easily answer this question. You can see I have highlighted Kharapaka and Karna Purana. Karna Purana should be done with Karapaka as per Sushruta Samhita. So option 3 will be the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Rasa2Recovery channel for more updates.